guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all saw in the cover picture, this is definitely gonna be a Savana try on or my recent Savana pics. Yeah, so I have been obsessing over Savana because it is quite cheap there, and also the quality for that price is quite good. So I've been getting a lot of dresses and then a lot of bags from there. So I thought, why can't I show you guys? And recently I had a little big purchase, so I'll share it to you and let's get started. Growing up, I always see YouTube videos which has this try on haul or like big shopping video or something like that, and now that I am making one of these, is like kind of nice. It's just that something I've been dreaming of to do, so I'm just gonna do a try on haul right now. I don't have much products, but yeah, I do have some which is like totally worth buying. And also recently I've been putting highlighter all over my face. It has been an obsession right now, so that is why you see my face all shiny. I know I'm smiling too much. It's because I'm filming after so long, so I'm very happy. Let's get into the video. So first I thought maybe I'll show you guys the bags that I got from Savana. I love bags, but my mom doesn't love bags. She just wants one or two practical bags and that's it. But me, I want it in every color, every size possible. So I actually think Savana is one of the best platform where you can get a lot of bags for a cheaper rate, and the quality is also quite good. So I have few bags from Savana. So the first one I would like to show you guys is this brown color bag. It has a butterfly detailing on it, and the strap is quite long, and it has like adjustable here as well. It shrinks to a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. So this is something that I would take anywhere. It doesn't have to be fancy place because this is just a basic bag, so you can fit a water bottle inside. So my mom's rule is that in a bag you have to keep a bottle, if not the bag is useless. So this can take water bottles, so it is a much liked product from my mom. And another bag is that my sister have been having this recently, obsessed with this maroon color red, cherry red. So she wanted this bag so much. I mean, I already have a bag in this color, but she don't remember it. So this is a small cute shoulder bag which has this thingy where you don't have to keep it down and the bag touches the floor. This will make it stand, so that's a good thing. And you cannot put much things inside obviously, but it looks very good with anything that you wear, so it is definitely worth purchasing. And also I'll put all the links down below in case if you want to take a look. This is nothing sponsored. This is something that I like with my own personal taste, and I'm not suggesting you guys to buy it. I'm just sharing it with you guys. It's been so long since I got this bag, but at that time bag charms was not even a thing, and I used to have this bag charm with it. This actually came with a charm, and also it has two pockets in the front. It is again a silver zipper. I am not a big fan of silver zippers, but still a lot of Savana products has silver zippers. Yeah, this is such a cute bag, and this also fits a bottle, so my mom likes it. But yeah, this is too much dressier. You cannot just like that take this anywhere and go. So I actually personally love this product because this was like my first red color bag, so it's cute. And recently I actually wanted a morning bag, and I also don't have a proper tote bag, so I thought maybe I'll get a tote bag, and I ordered this, but it turns out it's very small for a tote bag. Like in the picture it was very big, but in real life it's very small, but still it fits my laptop and my iPad. So I don't know, I might return it or might not return it. I'm still thinking about it. So yeah, this is the bag. This bag has two pockets in the front and just a thing like this, and it is waterproof also. The lining has a waterproof material, so it is quite a small bag for me, but I wouldn't say it's a tote bag, but yeah, it is a tote bag, but it's too small for me. And also recently I have started traveling, so I was thinking there should be a much better way to organize all my skincare and makeup things, because makeup is in one bag, skincare is in another bag, and also the huge bottles are in another bag. So I wanted it to be more organized, and I saw this and I loved it, so I got this. This is a makeup organizer. The color is actually very nice, and when you open it, it has like a huge space where you can keep a lot of things, and it also has this different compartments where you can keep stuff, and also a small zip in the between, and you can keep a lot of things here. So I thought maybe, yeah, it is a good deal, so I got it. There's a lot of many color options. I wanted to get white or pink, but makeup is kind of tricky every time the bag gets dirty, so I just got this one. But obviously the insides are still light color. It is gonna get dirty, but yeah, it is cute. So, and then I always wanted a white color cap, because all caps that I have is either black or gray. So I wanted a white color cap that says cute, and I saw a bow cap and I immediately ordered, and I think I chose half white because the beige color, because white would be too much. And the cap came, but I was like, white would have been prettier, because this is the cap. It's beige in color and it has this bow, but I feel like it doesn't match, you know. I don't know, maybe it is cute and all, but I wanted it to be very cute, like more cute than this, like full white and then a darker pink bow, maybe. Let's go to the dresses that I got recently from them. I did not get dresses, I just got some PJs and t-shirt and couple of pants. The pants that I got from them is like so good. You know, it is very hard to find a proper flowy flare leg pants. So when I got a beige color pant from Savana, and then it fitted perfectly, so I got another color in the same pants. This is what I'm talking about. If you have not seen me in my Goa video or my Varkala videos, I have used this pants a lot there. So this is the flowy pants from Savana. It is actually so damn good. The waistband is actually very big, so the way it stands is nice, and the pants is so damn flowy. It makes you think that it is a skirt, but it's not, and it's very comfortable. The material is so good. So yeah, I loved it, and since I loved it so much, I wanted to get another color, and I got a brown version of it. The brown one is prettier than the other one, so obviously the brown is like so good, and yeah, I loved it, and I can't wait to wear this. And then I recently am into jerseys, because I don't know, I just feel like if I don't wear it now, I'll be missing out. So I have been trying to get cute jerseys for girls, because the jersey is too masculine for me. So if there is something with pink or my favorite number, so I would like it. So I've been searching all cute jerseys, but yeah, Savana has a lot of jersey options. It's just that I need a perfect type of material, that if I get that, only then I'll be satisfied. If the material is like too jersey, I won't like it. Little picky with that. So I actually ordered a pink color jersey for me, which says 29 at the back. I don't like 29. I wanted a 27, but yeah, only 29 was available in pink. So I got it, and it is actually nice. I mean, the color is too pink but I'm okay with it. I can wear this. The only problem is the fabric. The fabric is too jersey for me. Yeah, like I said, for Chennai weather, it is like so hot. I definitely need little cotton blend in that. So I'm gonna return, but I'm gonna get another jersey, and you will never get bored of a plain black top. You can wear it like a million times. Like I am wearing one right now. This is my home t-shirt, but yeah, I have a lot of black t-shirts, I have a lot of black t-shirts in different sleeve lengths, different fits, but I never had one which is like a full sleeve and a crop top. For my body type, a crop top wouldn't look good. I was actually very skeptical buying this, but it turned out to be very good. So this is the top that I'm talking about. You should have seen me wearing it in Goa. Definitely came out very good. It has a long sleeve and the bottom has a wavy thing which makes your waist snatched, you know what I mean. So I actually like it. They have colors in this also, and I definitely think you can wear this as a blouse for your sari. It might look very cute if you do that. Also, I was wearing this top all over my Goa trip vlog. For me, neckline is everything. If the neckline is like looking flattening on you, the dress is a hit. So this kind of neckline is very hard to find with modern clothes. This is kind of like, you know, when you are stitching kurtis and stuff, you can make this neckline customized. But when it comes to modern outfits, this neckline is something that is very rare, and also you might get it in a sweetheart way, but that is too revealing for me. So this was just perfect, and it has a very dramatic sleeve. Since it's a basic top, when a sleeve or a small detail stands out, it looks like a very good top. So I definitely love this. It has this ruffles over the sides so that it is more fitting to you. So this is definitely good, and they also have a lot of color options, and I chose brown because the earthy tone looks more nice. And finally, I have PJs because I never invest in PJs. I always think, I don't know, you can sleep in whatever you want because nobody's gonna see you then. But then I realized I have to take a very good care of me, and I have to be more like, you know, put together when even if I'm sleeping, so that I would wake up in a very good mood. You know what I mean? I always wear this ugly t-shirt, ugly pants to sleep. So these are like so damn good. So the first one I got was this heart patterned PJ, but it is actually so damn soft. I wish you guys could touch and see it. It is very soft. I think if I even touch this, I might sleep. It is that comforting. And it is a shirt with this collar, and the pants is actually quite wide length. It is so damn soft. Actually my size is large, but they had till XXX, so I was like, I need my dresses to be loose when I'm going to sleep, so I ordered XXL. But it still fits me fine because of the material. It is like so soft that it touches your skin and holds it, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this is definitely something that I would wear because it is so soft, and I would definitely sleep very good on this. I know I have said so soft like so many times, but yeah, and also it is white in color and it has hearts, so you get a good, you know, good feel while you wear it. So I loved it. And yeah, the final product that I have to show you guys here is another PJ. This one is not that soft, but it looks so damn good. I'm definitely filming my night routine in this because it looks so good. It is actually pink and red color. I know, right? See, the color is like perfect. This pink is like so cute, and it has a cherry on it. Pink and red is a favorite combination of mine, so it looks very good. And this is a half sleeve, so I would sleep better in this. And the pants is very flattering on this. This I got in my size only, large, but it fits good. The pant is very nice. The way it flows is so nice. I know there was a lot of bag and more than dresses, but this is my realistic Savana haul. We are at the end of this video. I know it was a very quick video because there's no much products and I did not wanted to talk a lot about just one product. And if you're still watching here, I'm so grateful and thankful. Please subscribe and hope you guys have a good day. See you guys in another video. Bye.